My name is David Shokvitz, the Director of Marketing at Cambridge Sound Management. Cambridge Sound Management is the #1 provider of sound masking solutions to businesses all around the world in different industries. What sets our sound masking solutions apart from the competition is really the new technology that we've put into place, which is called direct field sound masking. So as you see here in our demo stations, you can see different modules that we have. We also have emitters. Cambridge Sound Management sound masking products are installed directly in the ceiling and in any ceiling type, which allows for the sound masking to come directly down to either the speaker or the listener. The end result of this is more uniform sound masking, a higher quality experience, and the better protection of speech privacy and to help reduce distractions. As you can see, sound masking is used in different verticals: corporate, open office space, call centers, private offices, boardrooms. We've got healthcare facilities, patient rooms, nursing stations, outpatient, inpatient areas, and also doctors' offices. Finance, of course, technology, research centers, engineering labs, government facilities, hospitality, spas, hotels, education, and then also different venues like houses of worship. The products from Cambridge Sound Management are fortunately very easy. We've put a lot of effort into designing products that are easy to install and also easy for the end user, your customers, to help manage and control. From good, better, best, we've got the QT100 product, we've got the QT300, and the QT600. The main differences here are just depends on how much square footage you need to cover with sound masking. And how many emitters and how many runs you need in different spaces. Our sound masking products are installed in essentially a grid format, which allows for very even sound masking distribution throughout a facility. And the ability to control independent zones is very critical to allow for different levels of sound masking depending on the type of situation where the sound masking is deployed. You can see in different types of areas, depending on open offices, private offices, hallways, lobby areas, the types of zones and the different levels of sound masking may be slightly different. This allows for a high quality and good experience for the workers in the workplace. Our products also support paging and music inputs as well, so they're multifunctional. When you look at our different types of emitters, we have all sorts of accessories to allow for mounting in all types of ceilings. We do a lot of retrofit business as well with our products. So if a company is coming in and redesigning a facility, often the acoustics aren't that great, especially if they're moving into the city, into a place with maybe open ceilings. So we have all sorts of mounting accessories as well. One more thing I'd like to just talk about quickly is a product called the Inroom volume control. What this allows for is micro-zoning in a certain space. This can control up to 8 different emitters. It allows for the end user to actually control the level of sound masking in a room. An example of this would be a hospital room where a patient may be staying for a few days or a few weeks. They can actually control the level of sound masking themselves within that room. So also a number of applications for this product as well. To sum it up, we've got a well-rounded solutions to basically help protect speech privacy and help reduce distractions in all sorts of facilities in all different vertical markets. And our information can be found at csmqt.com, and we look forward to working with you.
One of the things I really like about your product is a lot of times sound masking systems are installed perhaps improperly, where they don't have a boot around the fresh air return, meaning that as you walk through the space, you get hot spots. It kind of goes up in volume where you hear that big whoosh, and then it goes down again, and that's kind of annoying, I think. And that's one of the things I like about your product, is you're not throwing everything above the ceiling into the plenum space, where it's a little bit haphazard in terms of the evenness you get in the space.
One of the key advantages exactly with the direct field is that the sound masking can be evenly distributed, and it's a good experience for the workers in the space that's being covered. And the direct field solutions allows you to do that. Absolutely. All right, thank you for your time.